Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. So today she's showing you how to make authentic Lebanese Kefta, which is a minced lamb and parsley charcoal skewered goodness. So you start off with obviously minced lamb. It needs to have a high ratio of fat to meat. The fattier the better, in my opinion. And then you start off by chopping some parsley, finely chopped parsley. Then you start chopping onion, a whole onion. And now you mix the onions with the parsley. You finely chop them together. So this is pretty much the final result. Once it's finely chopped and finely mixed together, then we can move to the next step. Now you add it back to the lamb, the minced lamb mixture. Now you season it with some salt and pepper to taste, and then you start mixing it by hand together. Make sure everything is incorporated right through. So you keep kneading the mixture until it becomes nice and sticky, like so. Yep, see how it sticks to your hands? This is what you're after. So now we'll start skewering.
You take a bowl.
You just take a fistful, a handful.
Roll it between your hands.
Roll it between your hands.
And then
you skewer it into the metal skewer. You dip your hand in a bit of cold water.
And start spreading it all over.
Just like so.
Yeah. And then you have to make sure you seal the bottom.
Make sure you seal the bottom so it doesn't fall apart.
And then the top as well.
Same with the top. Seal the top so it doesn't fall off the skewer. Just like so. Straight on the charcoal and start cooking away. Alright, bismillah. Now let's start constructing the roll. That's how I like to eat it. So straight with the hummus. And then the pickles. Then I love my onions. So just throw a bit of onions there. Some more pickles. That's the way I like it. Just basically pickles and onions and some pickled chili. This is all home pickles, mind you, so it doesn't get any better than that. So let's just put them here so we can see them. And that's when you start land in the kefta. So 1, 2, and 3. Fold it over and do the old slide, just like so. Look at that. It's already looking like a masterpiece. Absolutely delicious. So now we roll it. So just roll it over like so. I like to fold the bottom so it doesn't leak, or minimum leakage. There you go. Look at that, guys. Then you just find a dollop of hummus on top. Doesn't get better than this. And then you just send it in. Absolutely delicious. Once you have a bite of this, you'll be in heaven. If you like this recipe, guys, please give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please be our guest. And we'll see you in the next delicious video.